visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone, welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. This is a timeless reading. So whenever you find the video, the message is also meant to find you. And this is also a general reading, no? So kung kailan niyo po ito mapanood, pwede kayo mag-resonate dito, yung buong reading na ito, or baka konti lang. Take what's only yours, pwede nyo rin ipag-switch, no, yung role. No, pwedeng ikaw yung binabasahan ko, pwedeng yung person mo, no? You can switch the roles. Again, this is general. Kung kung ano po yung makaresonate sa inyo. Yung first card mo is the Eight of Strength. So, meron na ditong communication and the Knight of Wisdom. So, parang meron dito unti-unti or inuunti-unti, no? Ang pakikipag-communicate. Inuunti-unti ang siguro sabihin natin na nagre-reconnect pa lang, no? Or talagang this person might be testing the waters, no? Uubra ba ako dito? Meron ba akong pag-asa, no? Dito sa taong to, or may pag-asa ba ako uli? So whether this is a new person or, a past person, nakikita natin na medyo maingat ito, no, sa pakikipag-usap sa iyo, medyo maingat ito sa pwede nating sabihin reconnect or connect, no? Basta meron siyang takot na parang yung flow hindi pwede kang biglain, no? With the Page of Strength. So siguro kasi, dahil meron kayong separation, pwedeng LDR, pwedeng malayo kayo sa isa't isa, kaya, or pwedeng doon kayo nag-meet online, no? Or dating app. Kaya, siguro ayaw nitong masira yung reputation niya or magkaroon ka ng bad impressions, no? Sa kanya. I'm also seeing na pwede rin ito na pinakilala ng ibang tao sa'yo, or pwedeng wala naman talaga kayong mutual friend, pero alam mo yung bigla na lang lumabas sa feed, tapos sige nga, tingnan ko nga to, and nagkaroon ng interest, no? So the Four of Strength, nakikita natin dito na wow, bakit parang meron na ditong either kasal na. So, it can be your ex, or baka naman siya may kinasal na, tapos single siya ngayon, or ikaw kinasal na, single ka ngayon, or it can be your ex-husband, ex-wife, or ex, no, magjowa. There's something about here na merong pinagdaanan na konkreto yung relationship, strong foundation. It just so happened, biglang nasira, nawala, what have you. Now the Star. Ngayon ang nakikita kasi natin dito, pwedeng ngayon niya nakita yung shine mo, ngayon niya nakita yung potential mo, or pwedeng ngayon lang siya nakakita ng taong ganyan na ang taas ng tingin niya sa'yo, no? Kaya nga nandun yung respeto. With the Star, nakikita din natin baka you might be, popular sa kalye ninyo, sa trabaho nyo, or you might really be a popular person, no? Whether national, international, what have you. You built a name, no? It can be a small community, no? With the Page of Wands, I don't know what's happening about online. There's a lot of online things that's going on. It can be that you are what? A social media personality. It can be that this person is a social media personality. Or someone might be, nag-online selling. Someone is using the internet. No? Someone is using the internet for some reason. Hindi ko naman nakita dito yung catfishing with the star. Ang nakikita lang natin dito, ang taas talaga ng respect. Now, with the Page of Charisma, there's a lot of pages that has been going on. I feel like meron ditong nagluluto online, no? Baka yung kanyang or iyong peg is Ninong Rai, yung mga ganyan, no? Or chef, what have you. Ayan. Or you could be a chef. Or your person could be a chef. The 10 of Charisma. Alam mo, meron sa inyo ditong somewhat well-off, no? And the 5 of Intelligence. Kaya pala ganon. Kaya pala ganon yung tingin ng taong ito, either sa'yo or tingin mo sa kanya. Kasi parang this person already built, self-made, no? Built an empire of their own, also probably built something, followers, no? I don't know what's happening with the social media. Social media is very dominant dito sa reading na ito with the full card. And also, for some reason, parang may age gap dito, no? Age gap, it can be a may December love affair, baka konti lang din. So, So, meron kayong pagtitinginan. The Moon card and the 4 of Wisdom. Siguro ito yung pinag-iisipan pang mabuti. Does this person truly love me? Does this person truly want me? Does this person know who I am? No? Para kasing someone is also controlling their emotion to give in right off the bat dahil sa mga achievements nitong taong ito. Kaya siguro hindi siya masyadong nag-give in, hindi siya masyadong generous sa pakikipag-usap, pero somewhat parang I see you, no? I'm seeing you, your potential, pero prove to me, no? Prove to me. Gusto ko makita yung pinapakita mo yung worth mo, na worth it ka sa akin. Hindi to kayabangan, no? The star is here dahil someone already made a name. At baka mamaya you're just riding into my fame, to my fortune, or what have you, no? Hindi yan kayabangan, hindi to kayabangan. Someone is well known. So this is your reading. So kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, let me know sa comment section. And kung meron po kayong mga tanong, sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. Diba? Now, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Pwede rin naman, no? Siyempre, reading mo to, lalabas ang inyong zodiac sign, if not a placement in your chart. So, I am seeing Cancer, Pisces, Aries. I am seeing Taurus, Virgo. I am seeing Libra. I'm seeing Scorpio. Yeah, I am seeing Sagittarius, Leo. Aquarius, of course, is here. Yeah, did I just mention Aries? Yes. This is your reading. Maraming salamat po. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
You want the